there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to quickly add fade transitions to your videos using DaVinci Resolve 21. So let's say, for example, you're working on something like a highlight reel for a podcast or maybe a sports match, and you want to add some transitions in between these scenes. So you're going to want to open up a new project, and then here, we're mostly going to be working in the cut window, as you can see. So this is what you're going to see when you create a new project. So just go ahead and upload some media into your media pool and start dragging clips into your timeline. So let's say I would like to use this one and this one. I can do so by just dragging them into the timeline here at the top or here at the bottom. So just find where the two clips meet. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to move one clip over the other like so. So this creates an overlap, and overlaps are necessary for when you want to add transitions. So now that there's an overlap in between the two videos, I'm going to go ahead and click on the dissolve button right here, making sure that I have the topmost clip selected. So I'm going to click on dissolve. And as you can see, it adds a transition that I can also adjust the duration of by dragging and dropping the edge. So now that that's done, I can go ahead and play the video over. And as you can see, it's a very seamless fade transition. You can also add that to the start of your video if you'd like to maybe make it fade in from black. That way it's a bit more cinematic. As you can see, really easy, really only takes a few clicks and is a lot more simplified if you do it here in the cut window versus here in the edit window. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.